I love bubbles as much as the next person, but the one place I don't want bubbles is between my screen protector and my phone display. Luckily, Verizon has a new system set up to give you the perfect screen protector application every time. I'm here at a Verizon store to get more info. Let's go take a look. Hey, Helena.
Hey, George.
What is this?
This is our Verizon ScreenForce Pro.
Ooh, what does it do?
This will ensure that there are no bubbles or hairs or anything on your phone and that your screen protector will be installed perfectly.
What phones does this work for?
This will work for most phones. So a customer can come in, bring their existing device, or they can come in and get a new one, and we'll install it for them.
So I've been known to break a phone screen or two. How does this hold up?
Our screen protectors are 2 times stronger than regular tempered glass.
Ooh, how much is it?
Our screen protectors are $49.99. They come with free professional installation and a limited lifetime warranty. So if it breaks, we'll replace it.
So I happen to need a new screen protector. Can you show me how this works?
Of course. Put it down on the protective pad. This is our screen protector. The packaging is actually 90% less waste than a typical screen protector package.
I love helping the environment.
Exactly. This is the little dust magic. This will grab any little particles out there.
And there's nothing worse than getting dust. A little speck of dust under that screen protector after you've got it done.
I hear you, I have a lot of that. So put it into the machine, press the button to close the clamp, and I'm gonna take that sticker off. This is the screen protector, and this actually has a second layer of double protection to make sure there's no dust.
Ooh.
So I'm just gonna line it up, locked and loaded.
Nice.
Close it up, and you do the magic.
That is so satisfying.
Wait until you open it.
Whoa, check it out. No bubbles, no bubbles, no bubbles. You were so right, you're amazing. Where can customers check out our new screen protectors?
Our ScreenForce Pro is available in all of our Verizon Corporate stores.
Thank you so much, Helena.
Come on in.